Hi guys, welcome back. Happy Monday. I am making some cute book page pockets. So in order to make these, you guys, I literally just took book pages and folded it up and glued the sides. Nothing to it. So I just prepared a few of them that fold up, glue the sides, nothing fancy. Then I have some book page strips that I might make some snippet strips. I'm doing Christmas theme right now, but I might switch it up. So I've made this pocket out of book page and then just added, you know, some bits and bobs, some collage. So if you'd like to collage along with me, grab some papers. This is really, I'm using all sorts of stuff. Really no plan, just having fun with collage and papers and different themes, I guess. This one I made, well, a while ago, and then I just added some detail and some sewing to it last night. You do not need sewing at all. This is glued down like the other ones. I just added sewing because I think it's cute. So anyway, you can even take a pre-made envelope and decorate it. You don't have to make your own. Maybe I'll do this one. This is just scrapbook paper that I folded up. I do have these super cute vintage booklets. So I might use some pieces to collage from in here. Where's the one? Oops. I don't want to start making a mess at the beginning here. There's one that I saw. Well, even like that would be cute on there. Any of this stuff. You don't have to have this stuff to make what I'm making, though. Just use what you have. I haven't even looked through this. So, oops. I have like everything I own out, so I'm kind of barricaded. And I just grabbed some 4x6. These don't have an album. Oh, there's an album in there. My bad. There's an album. These are just loose. They've been sent to me, or they're from packs that are, I don't know. They're just loose. So I just have extra papers out. I have some doilies out, you know, some bulb pins that I might attach, maybe a bell or something cute. I don't know, guys. Let's just craft and have fun. Why not? Let's start with, actually I'm going to start with, let's see, let's do some background collaging. Could even make this one. This fits perfectly on here. I think I'm going to do it. So this one might not be collage. I don't know. It just fits so perfect. It's like tempting to put it on there. I think I'm going to. I like to add a cute top to it, but this is vellum, so probably won't glue down very well. Probably needs to be sewn on, so I'll pass on that. What if I did, oops, a little bit of a doily on the top? Let's see. I kind of want to round these corners real quick. Thinking, let's see, I've got other doilies here. Which one? This one. Oop. That one's kind of cute. I think it's, well, it looks like snowflakes. Will that be a problem? Maybe it won't. I don't know if it'll glue down very well. Or I could just, let me try something here. Who knows? It's trial and error. What if I just did this? It's going to be trimmed down just a hair. Might work. Not entirely sure. Oops, way too much glue. I love making envelopes. I just feel like, or decorating, you don't have to necessarily make them. Oops, I just made a huge mess. They're just so functional. I love putting them in a journal. I got glue everywhere, but I'll remedy that with some collage. Let's see. Can't get that corner to cut. Okay. Is that too much? It's kind of too much, yeah. That's not too much, though. I mean, it would make a journal bulky, but if it were for my journal, I don't mind adding some bulk. Let's see. I do kind of like it. We'll see first. We'll look for a sec here. I don't usually do the backs because, well, I mean, I could. I don't always do the backs. It's, I don't think it's necessary all the time. Let's see if I have a cute little phrase or something to go up on top. So I'm just digging through this little bin. It's I got a lot of these little quote thingies. I don't know what they're called. From a company called Echo Park, which I got them last year. I get them on the Echo Park warehouse. They have 2 different sites, so check the warehouse if you Google it. They have these ephemera packs. They go on sale. They're like $2 a pack, and then like the 5th one's free. I can't remember all the details, but I got a billion of them, and they're super cheap. If you like this kind of thing. I'm not really finding a good label. I don't have a ton of blue, like that blue Christmassy theme. Lots of red and green. So let me find something. I'll be right back. I'm gonna do this, I think. Because the snowman does have a little bit of red in it. And that was easier to find. This Holly Jolly Christmas. You can cut, you guys, if you don't have these quotes, or if you want quotes, you can cut phrases out of magazines, books. I mean, you'll see in a sec. Let me see where I put it. Like something like this, even though it's vintage. You could, what everyone's saying is Christmassy, Yuletide. You could use stuff like that. And magazines have tons of quotes. These are just like old flyers. So, here at last, Christmas cards. I mean, these have great things. So, anyway, I'm going to leave this one how it is because I didn't collage down here. So, it's fine for right now. Let's grab another one. Actually, let's collage a strip. So this is just a piece of book page. I glued 2 together to give it a little thickness. But yeah, let's collage on there. Why not? Oh, I need to get my glue stick and not do that. Stop using my art glitter glue. Hi, buddy. Actually, I'm going to use this glue because it shakes my table a little less than me trying to use a glue stick on here. You know what? Those Christmas lights are upside down. Oh well. I'm going to add a little bits and bobs in here. I'll add, let's see, a red stamp. Let's see about that area. It's not long enough, but that's okay. I'll add my green stamp maybe there. So these little collage strips can be glued down to the side of a journal page as just like decoration. So I think I'll put that there, and I'll break it up a little bit. My lights that are upside down. Try this. I'll put something in the middle. What I could use, you guys, is you can use, if I can get it to start, a little bit of rickrack. I got this cute rickrack. I can't remember where I found it. It was on sale. Probably at one of the big boxes maybe last year. But it's red with silver on it. That works. Collaging is my favorite thing to do, I think, junk journal wise. I think I want more music page there, actually. Yep. Let's see here. I don't like how straight this border is. I need to fluff it up a little bit. Let me see, what can I add to it? Just a little bit of something to make it not so straight. Oops. Like that. I might add just a little bit of doily, maybe. Some texture. Doesn't necessarily have to even have a quote on it. It can just be what it is. I add this green stamp though. And then let's see. I'm gonna leave that one how it is. Set it off to dry. Let's grab an envelope. Okay, let's do this envelope. So I need So what are you guys up to? I know I'm quiet. It's because I don't have a plan. I'm focused. I'm trying to figure out what to do here. I like to cover the top. So I'm trying to find paper that would be long enough for it. Let's see. This is long enough, but I mean, that would work. So how I've been doing this is just this way, putting a bunch of glue on the back of this. I'm sure there's easier ways like measuring and stuff, but I don't really measure, so which way do I need to be? This way, so I just glue it down. That. Unfold it. And then just cut it off. Probably needs more dry time for sure, but and there's my top. I'm going to round these though. It might be difficult because, okay, it let me. The paper's flimsy and weak, so, but who knows? Just collage away. I was thinking, could add like a fabric ruffle to this, which would be cute. Or some cute palms. I'm all about the palms. And you guys, I went to the Dollar Tree and got a ton of palms. So I have a bunch ready to go. I don't know where it starts though. Oh, there we go. I think I will do palms on this one. Maybe not yet, but I think it would be cute. Let's see. Because even though it's bulky, it could be clipped to a page. Well, either way, it's gonna be a little bulky, but it doesn't bother me. I'm not really sure. Of course, I would cut this down, but maybe I'll just start building the layers until I am satisfied. I do think I'm going to put these palms on though. That might help me think more clear. Okay. Stay down, little palms.